All right, third period, take a look at the attachment that I gave you. That's showing you how to use prepositions correctly. Yes, I know. We've been working on prepositions for about 4 weeks now, and especially in our intense grammar sessions, the diagramming from Wednesdays. Okay, so this ought to be a real easy assignment for you out of your Voyages book. All right, lesson 6.7, which is going to be on page 99 of your Voyages book, will show you about using prepositions correctly. Take a look at that attachment. At, to. Those are a couple of examples. These are ones that people use incorrectly a lot. Like, well, let's just take a look at this example. You use at to show presence, and you use to show motion, like a direction where you're going. Dion was at the Grand Canyon. Dion went to the Grand Canyon. Okay, so if at tells us where she was, and to tells us where she's going. All right, between and among. Between is used when you speak between two people, or places, or things. And then among is if there are more than. All right, look at these examples. I can't decide between Niagara Falls and the Grand Canyon. All right, see, there's two things to choose from, so you would use between. But now the second example shows you multiple. I can't decide among the Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, and sequoias as a subject of my report. A lot of people still make that mistake and say, I can't decide between the Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, and sequoias. If it's more than two, you got to say among. All right, now we've got beside and besides. This is a common one that people make mistakes on. Beside means at the side of something or next to it. And then besides, with an S at the end, that means in addition to or except. Okay, look at your examples. The Horseshoe Falls are beside the American Falls. Okay, one is next to the other. Now, besides the report, do we have any other homework? In addition to. All right, and our last example, in and into. You use in to show location within something. And then you use into to show the motion toward a place or even a change of location. All right, look at that first example. The diver is in the water near the reef. And then the next one, the diver went into the water near the reef. Quite often we make the mistake and we say the diver went in the water near the reef. If it's a direction, it's into, just like to in our first example. Okay, have fun doing this lesson, and then I'll talk with you tomorrow.